good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe. 4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
We all know the drill. Get good grades, study hard, ace those exams, and make your parents proud. Go to college, get a job, climb that ladder, secure that promotion. It's the path we're all told to follow. But there's something missing, right? Despite doing everything by the book, there's a lingering sense of incompleteness. Something crucial to navigating this crazy thing called life. It's like being on a roller coaster without a seatbelt. That missing piece, my friends, is your third purpose. Crafting your image. It's the puzzle piece that completes the picture. Think of it like this. Your image is not just about looks, it's about the essence of who you are. You wouldn't build a house without a solid foundation, right? The same goes for your personal brand. Your image is that foundation. It's the bedrock upon which everything else stands. It's how you present yourself to the world. It's the first impression you make, and it's lasting. It's about confidence, respect, and opening doors to opportunity. This isn't about vanity, it's about authenticity. It's about taking control of your narrative, writing your own story, rather than letting others write it for you. It's about understanding that how you look directly impacts how people perceive you, and more importantly, how you perceive yourself. So buckle up, gentlemen. We're about to embark on a journey to unlock your full potential, starting with the building blocks of a powerful personal brand. This is your roadmap to success. We've all heard it. Don't judge a book by its cover. But let's face it, in our fast-paced world, first impressions are crucial. In reality, first impressions can make or break opportunities. Whether it's a job interview, a first date, or meeting new people, those initial moments are pivotal. You have about 7 seconds to make an impact. 7 seconds to convey who you are and what you stand for. In those fleeting moments, people form opinions about you. They decide if you're trustworthy, competent, and likable. Imagine this. You're walking into a job interview. The stakes are high and the competition is fierce. You're up against a dozen other qualified candidates. Each one has the skills and experience to do the job. Who gets the second look? The one who stands out for the right reasons. Is it the guy with the crumpled shirt and unkempt hair? Probably not. Or the one who looks sharp, confident, and ready to conquer the world? Definitely. Your image is your calling card. It's the first thing people notice and remember about you. It's a visual representation of your values and aspirations. It tells a story about who you are and what you aim to achieve. It's a way to communicate who you are without saying a word. Your appearance, body language, and demeanor speak volumes. And trust me, people are always watching. They notice the little things, the details that make up the bigger picture. So how do you make those precious seconds count? How do you ensure that your first impression is a lasting one? It starts with mastering the fundamentals: hygiene, hair, clothing, and fitness. These are the building blocks of a strong first impression. Pay attention to your grooming, style your hair, choose your clothes wisely, and stay fit. Let's break it down and make sure you're always putting your best foot forward. Let's start with the basics, the non-negotiables. These are the fundamental steps that lay the groundwork for everything else. Without these, you're building a house on sand. Think of personal hygiene as your launch pad. It's the base from which you launch your day, your confidence, and ultimately, your success. You can't blast off into the stratosphere of success if your engines are clogged with yesterday's. Well, you get the picture. Shower daily, use deodorant, brush your teeth. These are the essentials that keep you fresh and ready to face the world. These aren't suggestions, fellas. They're commandments. Trim your nails, tame those eyebrows, and keep your grooming tools in check. It's all about the details. And for the love of all that is holy, invest in a good quality skincare routine. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, and it deserves attention. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect it from the elements. Look, I get it. Life gets busy. We all have those days when it feels like there's not enough time to breathe, let alone take care of ourselves. But trust me, taking those extra few minutes each day to prioritize your hygiene is an investment that pays off big time. It boosts your confidence and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. It shows people you respect yourself, and that, my friends, is the first step to earning respect from others. When you take care of yourself, others take notice and treat you accordingly. So, start with the basics and build from there. Your hair is literally the frame for your face, your billboard to the world. A good haircut can make you look younger, sharper, more approachable. It's not just about length, it's about finding a style that complements your face shape, hair type, and personality. Experiment. Consult a stylist, find what works for you, and once you find it, own it. Keep it clean, styled, and remember, a little product goes a long way. Think about it. When you meet someone with a fresh haircut, don't they just seem more put together, more confident? That's the power of a good hairstyle. It's a subtle but significant detail that can make a world of difference. Section 5. Clothes. Dressing for the life you want. Clothes. They're not just pieces of fabric, they're armor. They're statements. They're tools that can help you command a room, ace that interview, or simply feel like the best version of yourself. Now, before you start sweating, this isn't about designer labels or following every fleeting trend. It's about finding your personal style, something that reflects your personality and aspirations. Invest in quality basics. Well-fitting jeans, crisp shirts, a versatile blazer. Pay attention to details, shoes polished, clothes ironed, accessories used sparingly but effectively. Remember, fit is king. Clothes that fit well make you look more put together, more confident, more attractive. Section 6. Fitness. Strength from within, confidence without. Let's talk about the temple, your body. And no, this isn't about achieving some unattainable physique. It's about feeling good in your own skin, about having the energy and stamina to conquer your day. Regular exercise, even if it's just a brisk walk, does wonders for your physical and mental health. It boosts your mood, improves your posture, and yes, makes you look and feel more confident. Couple that with a balanced diet, and you're not just fueling your body, you're fueling your mind. Remember, confidence starts from within. When you feel good, you look good. It's that simple. Section 7. Online presence. Curating your digital persona. Welcome to the digital age where your online presence is just as important as your physical one. Think of your social media profiles as your digital resume, a curated glimpse into who you are and what you stand for. Keep it clean, professional, and engaging. Showcase your interests, your accomplishments, your personality. Use high-quality photos, be mindful of your grammar, and engage with others in a positive and respectful manner. Remember, everything you post, share, or like contributes to the image you're projecting to the world. Make it count. Make it consistent with the image you're building offline.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
More than a man is an endless job. good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear.